Genesis 4, 6b to 7a. What's wrong with you? Why do you look so angry? If you had done the right thing, you would be smiling. Nagagalit ka ba or mainit ba ang ulo mo ngayon? You should remember that this Yahweh was speaking to Cain at this story in Genesis 4. And when they offered something, no, si Cain nag-offer, si Abel nag-offer, nagtampo si Cain, and Cain got angry. Now, Yahweh, God is asking Cain, ba't ka nagagalit? Tama naman yung ginawa mo. Is it because you were jealous? Or is it because hindi ikaw yung napaboran? That's why you're angry? Remember, do not be angry if you did something good. Do not be angry if you did something better. Maybe kaya ka lang umiinit ang ulo, kaya ka lang nagagalit kasi hindi napansin yung ginawa mo, or your ego itself is rising up to the point na it should be me na na-recognize. No, don't do that. If you did something good, if you did something right, do not be angry. Because in the later part of verse 7, yung galit niyan will cause you to sin. And that sin will devour you like a lion na naghihintay lang. So, that's a good reminder na don't be angry if you did something good.